This is Home24. Home24 has recently been coordinating and planning its delivery processes more efficiently and making the handling of notifications more transparent. Why? Because it saves time, costs, and resources. How? We'll show you. My Leo DSC at Home24. The ordering process at Home24 begins with the creation of orders in SAP ERP. These are automatically transferred to My Leo DSC when they are created. The orders have also been automatically transferred to the supplier from Home24 to My Leo DSC. He can now view the orders, notify deliveries from them in My Leo Supply, and book time slots for the deliveries in My Leo Slot. Through the integration to the time slot management, the supplier can jump from the delivery straight to the booking calendar and has the option to view gates or gate groups that Home24 has allocated to them and book a specific time slot for the delivery. My Leo Slot can automatically calculate the necessary time slot length based on the My Leo Supply notification information, either rule-based or via machine learning algorithm. The supplier can then create a time slot proposal to Home24. Home24 may accept, reject, or make a counter-proposal to their supplier's proposed time slot. If a time slot is accepted, a fixed booking is made, whereby the delivery time slot for the supplier is confirmed by Home24. With the fixed time slot booking, the notification is automatically transmitted to SAP ERP as a delivery. From there, the delivery can be distributed to downstream systems such as SAP Extended Warehouse Management. A yard document is also created with the fixed time slot booking. Through the integration between My Leo Slot and My Leo Yard, the information about the delivery and the time slot is transmitted to the yard. Before the supplier starts his delivery process, there is the possibility to add further orders to the notification. Now the supplier can start the delivery process. In the yard list, the process flows of the delivery can be confirmed as an activity. In this way, each vehicle can be controlled, tracked, and evaluated step by step along the process. The process sequences are freely configurable in My Leo Yard. Via the yard list of My Leo Yard, the gatekeeper receives an overview of the yard receipts and thus of the arriving vehicles and can check them into the system upon arrival. Information from the notification or the time slot booking can be viewed directly in the yard document, and further information can be recorded. After successful check-in, the truck moves to the yard to complete its registration at the receiving office. As soon as the booked gate is free, the supplier can drive in with his truck. This is where the unloading process begins. As soon as the goods have been unloaded and all process steps, such as checkout and clearing of the goods receipt area, have been set in the yard document, the delivery is successfully completed. Take advantage of all the benefits of My Leo DSC. Please feel free to get in touch with us.